Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about Dr. Reckeweg R42 drop for varicocele. So if you have the problem of the varicocele, you have the swollen testes, you have the pain at your testes. So this video is going to be very informative for you because I will tell you about Dr. Reckeweg R42 drop for your varicocele problem. So in this video, I will tell you about Dr. Reckeweg's brand R42 varicocele drop. Its pricing, its composition, its packaging, uses and the benefits of this medicine and the doses, how to take this drop for your varicocele problem. So video is very informative. Watch till then, stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Let's discuss about Dr. Reckeweg's brand's R42 varicocele drop. But before starting this video, let's discuss about in short about what is varicocele. Basically, varicocele is the venous congestion in the testes. Testes are the male reproductive organ which helps in the formation of the sperm formation. Also it helps in the formation of sex hormone. So if there is any swelling in the testes, this is called the varicocele. Let's talk about what are the causes behind the varicocele. Exact causes is not clear, but there are the certain conditions, like if you got injury at your private part, at your testis region, it may lead to the varicocele, or it occur due to the compression, due to wearing tight clothing, tight undergarments. This may lead to the varicocele. If you are heavy weight lifter or you do vigorous exercise, all these conditions may lead to the varicocele. Or if you are alcoholic, or if you smoking a lot too much, then all factors can lead to the varicocele. So these are the causes behind the varicocele. Let's talk about what are the symptoms can be found in the varicocele. There may be the pain at your testes, there may be the swelling in your testes, and there may be the pulling type of pain, or pain aggravate when you are standing position or when you do vigorous exercise. Another symptoms related to the varicocele, that is the loss of libido, loss of sex desire, or impotency, erectile dysfunction, and also there may be the low sperm count, quality and the quantity of the sperm may be diminished, and also there may be the infertility can be seen in the patient which having the problem of the varicocele. So these were the symptoms of the varicocele. Let's talk about the R42 drop for your varicocele. Today I will tell you Dr. Reckeweg's brand R42 varicocele drops. Let's talk about what is the price. It is available at the price of the 270 rupees, which is very affordable. And let's talk about what are the composition of this medicine. In this, the hamamelis and esculus, calcarea flower are added. Also it has the pulsatilla vipera also added. Let's talk about one by one each medicine. The first of all, talk about the esculus. Esculus is a very effective, important homeopathic medicine for the venous congestion, venous engorgement. And the second medicine will be the hamamelis. Hamamelis is also indicated for the venous engorgement or any blood related problem. Venous hamamelis is a very good medicine for the venous congestion. Next medicine which are added in that, the calcarea flower. Calcarea flower is a very effective homeopathic medicine where there is any swelling in your body, especially if you have the hard swelling, if your testes are very hard. In all this condition, calcarea can be used. And that the belladonna is a very effective medicine for the swelling and pain. This medicine can cure your swelling and pain at your testes. So these are the composition of the R42 drops. Let's talk about how to take the doses of this drop. Take 15 drops of the R42 drops with 1/4 cup of water. Take this medicine thrice in a day. You can take medicine for 2 to 3 months along with your internal homeopathic medicine. And also you have to follow some precautions, like you have to avoid vigorous exercise, weight lifting. Also you have to avoid smoking, alcohol. You have to take proper rest and take this medicine. Definitely you will get very good result. So this was the discussion about the varicocele. or drop number R842 for the varicocele problem. So I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.